So these are the things that you will need. You will need a cabin filter, part number 1500A098, and of course your trusty screwdriver. Alright, so first you empty the glove box, okay, and then push this end over here, push it in, and then afterwards push the other side so that this will come out all the way down like that. Alright, once this has come down, then it'll be easier for you to access the actual filter. So once you lift this flap, you will see there the filter, and then you have a screw right over there and another screw right over here. Alright, so just loosen those two up, okay, and then after you loosen this up, just pull it from here and then it should just come off. That's how you take it out. Alright. Alright. So, how to put it back. Lift it up. See? That's where that thing goes. Alright. How to put it back. Push it in. Make sure that none of these flappy things gets in the way. Okay. Then you tighten up this screw. That's it. That's how you replace the cabin filter.